Hello, students, and happy Wednesday to you. I hope you're having a good week. I am here on the class website and I'm scrolling down to Wednesday to see what we're going to be doing today. So, of course, the video that I'm making right now is going to be what's going to appear here where it says video coming soon. So when you look at this website, you'll see a big video here that you can click on, and that will be this one. Now I'm going to talk about what is due today and what I would like you to do about that. So let me scroll down just a little bit more. Okay. Boom. Okay. So I have pushed your presentations back. Ones that were due last week, ones that were due Monday are going to be due today. And that's Carlos, Hania, Aidan, and Cecilia. So if you guys would finish your presentations, preferably in Google Slides or maybe PowerPoint, and put them in your Google Drive folders, then I will link to those for the next class so that the students can check them out. Okay, so that is the deal with the presentations. The rest of the presentations are due on the days they were originally due. So if we go over here to presentations and click on let's see, After Effects. No, yes, okay. Then this tells you when the presentations are due. And so, for example, Carlos Lopez is due on the 6th, and Alyssa is due on the 8th. Okay, let's go back. Boom. All right. So, presentations, that's that part. Now, we do have a couple tutorials for you to do today. There's two tutorials on this page right here. As I said in Monday's video, you'll need to get these files, do this one, and then don't forget to scroll down and do the second one. Those will teach you some valuable After Effects skills. Now, also due today, in addition to these presentations, are the Project 2 files, which I've pushed back the deadline from last Wednesday to this Wednesday. So what I'm going to need for you folks to do, once again, I won't be able to share these until the next class. But in order to share them with all the students, I need you to send me an email after you put your Project 2 in your folder and tell me the name of it. You might even tell me what folder it's in so that I can then go find it, copy it over to a shared folder, and link all of your names to your files. What I want to be able to do is show them to everybody and have them be able to give you some feedback in our forum here about your work, some constructive criticism. So if you guys would do that, this project is due today, Wednesday, so please finish them, render them, upload them, and then send me an email telling me the name of the file and where it is, so I can then link to it and we can check it out in the next class. Okay, so those are the things we're doing today. One other comment I want to mention is that you are still working on chapters in the book. You want to have the book completed by the end of the semester. And since a couple weeks have gone by, we had an extra week of spring break, which is when we would have done chapter 9. And then this week we would be working on chapter 10. So if you're keeping abreast of the chapter assignments as I give them, you'll want to be up through chapter 10 by this week. If you haven't done very many chapters, you want to get started on that because we're nearing the end of the semester and you got about 13 chapters to do. If you're ahead of the game, bully for you, good job. You can go ahead and finish the rest of the chapters off at your own pace. Okay, so that's it for today. And remember to let me know if you have any questions or problems, especially with downloading the software, using the software at home, anything having to do with the online classes. Please send me an email and let me know, and I'll help you out any way I can. All right, I hope you guys have a great Wednesday, and I will talk to you again in a video next week on Monday. Take care and have a good weekend.